So this guy was a very opportunistic Moroccan, and I can seize the occasion when I see one.
I fed them carrots and they're coming with us.
We just arrived to our first basically job opportunity with
Today in the morning we woke up in the Todra Gorge, very beautiful place. It's built out of limestones, paradise for photographers and climbers. Some of the rocks go up to 400 meters and we're just about to go and discover it. One of the most amazing things in the gorge, I think, is just that little village on the side of the river in the limestone. So beautiful. Like most of the places in Morocco or any touristic places, there's lots of vendors. And here they can be a little bit harassing you. So if you want to avoid them, they start at 9. Go just visit before that time and you're going to be fine.
some camel.
Yes.
Oof.
It's woman, do you make it in my village?
So you say you're looking for trades. Do you drink alcohol?
Yeah, I drink, my friend. Whiskey.
Do you like alcohol?
Yeah, you have whiskey.
I might have some vodka.
Vodka. Polonish vodka.
Yeah. Yeah.
Marhaban, my friend.
How about I trade you a bottle of vodka for this carpet?
One vodka.
One big bottle.
Each cup it, my friend.
Huh?
Each cup it.
What do you mean?
Each cup it do you want?
Which color? Blue one? Yeah.
And you have some food?
Some what?
Chili food?
Foam? No, I got no foam. But I have a bottle of vodka. That's the good stuff. Have a nice shirt. Good deal?
Yeah, thank you.
Cool.
Small party.
Huh?
Small party.
Bye!
Yesterday I was trying to buy a carpet to some of those vendors, but some guy even asked me up to 200 euros for a carpet. Yeah, it's made from camel, it's handmade, but we don't have 200 euro to spare for that. So this morning on the way out, some guy started talking to me and then he asked for money, we said no, and then he asked, do you want trade? So I'm like, maybe I can make a deal. So we got an old camera that we have a few things, but I go talk with the guy, have a feeling, I ask him if he drinks. He's like, oh yeah, whiskey. I pull out a bottle of vodka that maybe we pay, I don't know, 3 or 4 euros, something like that. And a t-shirt that I bought at a thrift store in Poland for not even $1. So under 5 euro, we got our Moroccan carpet. Nice souvenir. I'm pretty happy with the trade.
I told you guys that the best part of the road trips are all the animals, and I got 2 donkey friends right now. I fed them carrots and they're coming with us.
You can try to load them up maybe on the rack.
If you don't have friends and you want to have one, just bring a bunch of carrots to donkeys and you're gonna have friends in Morocco. Come
They're
on.
vegan friendly, huh?
They're vegans, yeah, they're vegans and they're gonna follow you. Are you coming with me? Come, donkeys. Maybe not really, but oh yeah, he's coming.
We noticed that there's a trail just behind our camping spot, so we're gonna go hike to the top and see if we get a nice view over there. Even when you think you're by yourself in the middle of nowhere in the mountain, you start looking and there's about 10 donkeys showing up with a girl and a baby out of the blue. So that's the same story everywhere in Morocco. You can be in the field, in the desert. There's always somebody who's gonna come no matter where you are. Super nice hike at the end or at the beginning of the gorge, depending which way you're coming. It's about 3 clicks up, 3 clicks down. Easy trail, well worth it.
I am a nice man. You know what you do? You give more. You give more.
I can't give any money, I can only exchange.
It's like change.
Second deal of the day, but this one was a good one. So this guy was a very opportunistic Moroccan, and I can seize the occasion when I see one. So I was bargaining, a bottle of rum in the fridge, cold, not warm, so it was good to drink right away. I managed to exchange this. We are in the town of Ouarzazate, and I want you to be welcome to Universal Studio. Well, I mean, Atlas Studio. Lots of movies I've been filming here towards Prison Break, Aladdin, Brutus, Gladiator, and here's a scene from a small series about Jerusalem with Jesus. And they spent 2 weeks building the whole area, 1 day of filming for about just 5 seconds.
Just after the Atlas Studio, when you continue on the highway to Agadir, you will find an abandoned set of The Hills Have Eyes movie, which I found is pretty cool if you watched it before.
He's got... Oh, I have an extra piece. Who's the winner? I give them 2 carrots, but I guess they don't like carrots, goats. I thought they would like it. Today we're heading out on the coast towards Agadir, and we gotta go look for some job in some different surf camp. So we'll see if we get lucky. So we were looking for some costume to maybe try to blend in some city a little bit. This is what we found.
What happened, Sam?
We just blow a serpentine belt. Well, I got 2 spares, so I think we can fix. I'm just not sure of the circuit because there's air conditioning, so there's 2 ways to put it.
It looks to me like a bigger problem than just a blown belt, because I found the belt and it was perfect, in the perfect condition. So now Sam is trying to fix it, and he has his super helper here. How did it go?
Not as planned. So I don't know why, but the V-belt came off. The new one I was trying to install, I couldn't manage to put it on, and one guy was super nice, he was trying to help me, but we couldn't understand each other. I was trying to explain him, and then he was putting the V-belt in the wrong spot. I was going back and forth, up and down. Finally got it, we put the old one back. It works fine for now, but yeah, it's fucking 30-something degree. I put my cover all on. Great experience. We just arrived to our first basically job opportunity with Free Surf Maroc by Tom Fraser. We talked to the manager, I believe, for a few weeks, and then we're here to meet him, so we're waiting on him, and then we'll see how this adventure turns out.
The conversation went great. We have been offered a beautiful apartment including meals for 2 weeks. We have also been offered a surf camp for a week, but this part didn't work as good because of the ongoing situation in the world. We had so much fun working in this place. In exchange of all this, we had to prepare a promo video for the place, which I will present to you at the end of our vlog. If you're interested in how do we get all our projects, what do we offer, and would like a video about that, let us know in the comment section below, also including your questions. This is the video we have prepared for the surf camp. I hope you enjoyed and it makes you want to visit Morocco as well as the free surf camp Morocco.